Rise and shine, Sleepy. Flapjack Day. They're your favorite.
Gesundheit ho!
We'll get it moving. Sneezy, do your thing.
Gesundheit ho!
Can't see the nose in front of my face.
Speaking of noses, Sneezy.
Hi-ho!
Heads up, Starchy!
And that's Sneezy by a nose!
I think I'm allergic to magic. Uh-oh. This isn't black sand, it's pepper. Pepper! Well, what do you know?
Winker.
Oh no, chrysanthemum. Usually not much, that's for sure. That's for sure.
Road again?
Sneeze us home, Sneezy.
Like Speedy Sneeze! Starchy's socks are a little stinky. Oh, my Suyipsala!
Have no fear. Sneezy's nose is here.
All right, everyone, step back. Step back.
Balloon animals.
I got the wind for it.
Bashful.
And now? Under our noses.
Lilacs, they make me...
What's going on? Double O curse you.
No way! Scorchy torchy peppers make me sneaky.
What's happening?
Never seen Sneezy do this before. How festive.
Come on, Sleepy. Up and at.
I never liked this wall.
No. I'm allergic to bears.
You mean Grumpy? He moved out. Balloons!
The kids got talent.
Yeah. Hey.
Just keep that talent away from me. And that's how the cow jumped over the moon. The end.